Hi, welcome to GMST Solutions Private Limited Digital Learning. So, in the part of how to crack full stack Java developer interviews, the question number 7. So, in the question number 7, what is the method overloading and method overriding? So, the question is important question. Regularly they will ask. Now the interviews most of my expectation. So, overloading and overriding. So, I'm giving the theoretically here the simple answer. Overloading is nothing but method heading is same, signature is different. Method heading is same, signature is different. Method heading is same, and signature is different. The syntax here I'm giving. So you can take any method name. Example, show method, display, anything, user. So public void user method. So here I'm taking the simple int id. So one property. So method open and close. Public void user method heading is same, signature is different. So you can go for the int id comma string name. So another syntax I'm taking, the heading is same, user string city comma double salary. So the user id is a single argument for the first one, second one is the id and string name. So method 1 to method 2 number of the arguments is different, and method 2 to method 3 the arguments type is different, string and double. And if you say there is a signature is nothing but we have the number of the arguments, type of the arguments, and order of the arguments. Order in the sense if you want to take same user. So here I'm taking the double salary comma. You can take the string city. So the order is different. We are changing the order is, so type of the argument is same but order of the argument is different. So first position city, second position salary. Here is the first position salary, second position city. So the order of the arguments is different. So we have the 3 points. So method overloading time. So the JVM will check internally. Type of the arguments, number of the arguments, order of the arguments. So these 3 points are there in your method. So only see 2 methods or 3 methods or 5 methods you are taking. The 3 points are there. That method is method overloading. Method overloading. Method heading is same. The signature is different. Signature is nothing but method arguments. So this is a simple question and syntax for the method overloading. And if you want to take same thing in your Java code also, you can take it. So you can take it. So here I am taking the simple class. So inside the class I am taking the methods. So it is single argument method, double argument method, so out of the arguments method. So this is a simple syntax. So within the class we can take the method overloading concept. So method heading is same, signature is different syntactically. So method overloading riding. So what is the method overriding? So overloading you got the clearly, and method overriding. So method overriding is nothing but method heading is same and body is different. Body is different. So now I'm taking the syntax directly in your so coding wise in Eclipse. You can see. So I have the class example 6. So method heading I'm taking the public void show or display, you can take it, or draw method. So it is example 6. So inside the body, so here I'm taking the simple circle. The same method heading is same. What is the method overriding is nothing but method heading is same. Body is different. Within the class it is not possible. So you can see that if you want to take the method of overriding in the same class, you will get the duplicate error. Already we have the draw method. So what we have to do? We have to go for the inheritance concept. So class example 7 I'm taking. So here you have to inherit the features from the parent to child. You have to get features from the parent to child. So that is a superclass to child class. That subclass. Now example 6 is a superclass and example 7 is subclass. So inside the class example 7, the draw method is available logically. If you override that, we can override only super type methods only, but not the within the class methods. So public void draw method is there logically in our example 7, we can override it. See, if it is not a superclass property, you will get compile time error. So there is a circle, here I am taking the square. Now the method heading is same, body is different. Here is a circle, here is a square. And the method is different. If you are taking examples, draw 1 I am taking, you will get the immediately compile time error because you are overriding the parent class type only, not the your class 1 property. So we cannot change return statement also. If you change the return statement, you will get the error. So it is not super type. So the syntax, when you are overriding the parent class property, you have to follow the strictly the parent syntax only. So we cannot change return statement, method name, and any other access modifiers. See, we cannot change. So this is a simple method of overriding concept. And immediately we'll get the one more question. If you have the static method in your superclass, so if you want to override the static methods in Java, static methods it won't participate in inheritance concept. So you can see that. If you are trying to override the static method void show method in your subclass, you will get compile time error. Yes, the static method it won't come from the parent to child. The method show of type example 7 must override and implement a super type method. Same syntax we have, but it won't come inheritance concept. It is specific to example 6 class only. But maybe if you have the static property, so int something, you can take any property name, id. The id it will come inside the example 7 class, the static variable. So if you want to see that inside the normal class, the normal method, see id I can use. The static property variable we can access inheritance concept, the static variable, but not the static method. Static method is strictly to class level, and the static variable we can access, that is the specific to the class only. So we are taking the super type class. So you can call using the class name. Example 6.id. Even class name, that is a class level data. We can use class type. Example 6.id. So this is simple syntax for method overriding, and previous one I have given method overloading. So what is the question? Method overloading and overriding. Method heading is same and signature is different. The signature is nothing but 3 points. Type of the arguments, number of the arguments, order of the arguments change either in your method arguments. So it is method overloading. Method heading is same, signature different. Method overriding is nothing but method heading is same, body is different. So heading is same, body is we are overriding in the other classes but not the same class. We need to go for the instance concept. So this is simple question and answer for your entry point of view. Either syntactical you can explain or theoretical also you can go for the answer. So as per the interviewer. Thank you. If you have any questions regarding these questions, you can drop a question in comment box. We will discuss in detail. Thank you. Thank you for watching.